Yeah,
You were out for a while.
just walking.
I ran into Johnny, by the way. Said not to worry, he was getting out of town.
Oh, that guy.
You weren't thinking of leaving Midgar anytime soon, were you?
Well, seems this old friend of mine's in a tight spot. Long time ago, I said I'd be there for her. Made a promise. So...
Can't say this is quite what I had in mind when I put that on you way back when.
if you want to talk, I'm listening.
Huh? What's with you all of a sudden?
With me?
Like you're losing that hard edge.
That bad?
Not at all. I like it. Maybe Marlene won't be so scared of you next time. I'm really glad to have you back, Cloud. Really glad. It's pretty late, huh? I'd like to catch up more, but we should probably both get some sleep, yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, then.
Good night, Tifa.
Sleep and dream the sweetest dreams.
Cloud!
What's wrong?
Come with me! Quickly! We were getting ready to set out when those things showed up and came after us.
The others?
Barrett and Jesse are holding their ground, but for how long? I don't know.
Let's go.
Right.
Ready?
You know it.
Let's head for the bars.
Okay.
Best do it right. Is this even working? Storm's coming. Burn. You kill it?
There's way too many of them. Bring it on.
Calling fire. Enough. There's no end to
Bring
this.
it!
That's that. No idea. Pretty sure you can't even see them unless they make physical contact first. I can tell you they're not invincible.
More of them? We're running out of time.
The other way.
Yeah, over here.
Again?
Are they trying to stop us from reaching the others? something! We've gotta do something! Hang on! Cloud!
I'm coming. Move. What the? No, that's it. Adapting.
I said back
Time to burn. What the? No escape. Calling fire.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Bring it! Chill out! Hang in there!
Taking over. Be careful. You're mine.
Bring it! There's no escape! Come on! Heads up! No more games! It's over! Gotta explode! Heads up! So this thing's not gonna give up without a fight, huh? Give it up! What is it doing now? dizzy now.
What's going on? What's happening here?
We ain't putting on a damn show! The hell were those things? Some kind of... I don't know. Guess I shouldn't be surprised, though. Never can tell what weird shit'll come crawling out of the scrap down here. It's those reactors, I'm telling you.
It hurt?
Wish I could say it didn't, but yeah. God, this is so embarrassing. I hate playing the damsel in distress.
It happens.
What did you do to your leg? Does it hurt?
Not nearly as much as the fuss everyone's making. Still, I think you ought to avoid putting any... I'm fine.
Oh.
That's enough. You're out, Jesse.
Huh? What about the mission? We already sent Biggs in, remember? Don't tell me you're thinking of calling it off.
No, we got this.
The hell you do.
If you need someone to step up, I'm your man.
Okay, so here's the thing.
I'm gonna need a raise.
Consider it done. All right, everyone, clouds in. The mission is on.
Go and raise some hell for me, okay?
Listen, Wedge, I need you to hang back and guard the home front,
What? But I'm in perfect health.
which makes you the perfect choice to look after Jesse and Marlene.
Huh?
Let's get this show on the road to Mako Reactor 5. Once you got your gear in order, head to the station for the meet. Got it? This'll help you get squared away. Don't tell me I never did nothing for you. I'm counting on you, soldier boy.
Relegated to stagehand once again. I'm starting to think I'll never have a starring role.
There's always next time.
What's this? Words of encouragement? Thanks. I need them.
With old Wedge in charge, this place will be safer than ever.
All right. Let's get going.
Sure. After you take a deep breath.
Huh?
I can tell you're nervous.
That obvious, huh? Okay, I'm ready now.
You heard the TV, didn't you? War's on the way.
Oh, hey! Got some real nice stuff in stock if you're interested.
We'll be stepping up patrols day and night.
Got customers lining up around the block to get their hands on big old swords like yours.
News about that pamphlet spreads pretty damn fast.
If you see anything out of the ordinary, please.
I hate to think it's coming.
It was like they were fighting out ghosts or something.
She okay? She hurt? Just got done talking.
Screw them sons of bitches.
Moving down under.
Bombs and stuff are scary.